Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam Munoz, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick tool in Lightroom that I like to use, and it's called the adjustment point tool. Let's get to the video. We're going to go down to the HSL section, and the adjustment point tool is actually these little things right over here. What this pretty much allows you to do is when you select it, you can go straight to the image and select a part of the image that you want to adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of. Instead of adjusting one slider at a time, you can potentially adjust multiple colors of the image at the same time. For example, let's say I want to change the hue of this lady's green sweater. I can select the adjustment point tool, I'm sorry. Go over here to the image, left click on the mouse, and if I go bring the mouse down, you can see on the right side that the orange and the yellows are being adjusted at the same time. Now if I left click on the image and I bring the mouse up, the sliders on the right side go to the right. Pretty nifty. And you can do this as well with the saturation. Just select the adjustment point tool right over there. And let's say I want to adjust the saturation of this lady's purple jacket. All I have to do is just left click on the jacket, bring the mouse down to desaturate the jacket, or bring the mouse up to saturate the jacket more, and you can see on the right side the purple and the magenta are both being affected at the same time. And last but not least, the luminance over here. Select the adjustment point tool, go over here to the image, and let's say I want to adjust the luminance of the word market. All I have to do is left click, bring the mouse down to decrease the luminance, and you can see it's starting to get dark in the image, and the reds and orange sliders are going down. And if I bring the mouse up, the red and orange luminance sliders are going to the right. And that's one of my favorite tools here in Lightroom. If you found this video just a tad bit useful, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.